So you're ready to have your agent start building for you. Let's get started. First, choose the block that you'd like your agent to build with. I've chosen dark oak planks. And then by right-clicking on the agent, or whatever keybind you have set, drag that block into the first space in their inventory. By default, the agent will build with this block, but we can always change that later. By now opening your code builder with C, we're going to create a chat command for the agent to trigger this wall command is where we're going to begin. So our chat command will be wall, and we want two numbers that we can assign to the length and the height of this wall. So we'll use num1 and num2 as our variables. We need two loops. One loop is going to be for the height of the wall, and I'm going to do that by dragging in num2. I'm also going to get another loop and put that inside. And this is going to be controlling how long the wall will be. So let's drag out num1. Okay. So now let's go ahead and update this a little bit more so that the agent can place blocks and move around. Inside of the agent blocks, you'll find agent place forward. There are many different ways the agent can move around when building a wall, but for this video, I'm going to have the agent place forward and walk backwards. So after the agent places forward, we should have it take a step backwards. After the agent has placed a block and backed up the number of times we assigned for the wall, what we'll need to have happen is the agent needs to move up outside of the loop. So it can go up above the last block that it placed, go up just one space, and then move back forward however many total blocks the length of that wall was. So we're going to drag our num1 variable back in here. So the agent will place a block and back up however many times we want for the length. Then, after that is done, the agent will move up a space and then walk all the way back up the number of blocks that they walked backwards, placing blocks. And the height of the wall is determined here. How many total times we place and back up and then move up and reset. And that's num2. Let's go ahead and test it out. In chat, we'll type in wall, and I'll type in 5 for the length and 2 for the height, having a space for each one. So the agent places 5 blocks, moves up by 1, and goes back again. And there is a 5 by 2. If I teleport my agent to my position here, I can run it again. And I'll do wall 7, but a height of 4. And the agent will place 7 blocks and then repeat that loop based on the command, the variable. Pretty awesome, right? Because there are things that you can do while the agent is placing blocks. You can be placing blocks as well, and you can work together to build a house, let's say, among many other things. All right, I hope you enjoyed that video. We'll see you in the next one.